An amazing Everest edition for you today. A platinum Super Duty in carbonized gray. Everest edition means it's taller than a 4-inch lift, and this is a 5.5-inch Carli E-Venture. Look at this bad boy right here. An electronic shock package that rivals a Ford Raptor. We got Wild Willies rock lights throughout. We have Carli torsion sway bar with end links. We got the radius arm as well as limit straps, low mount steer stabilizer and front diff cover, JTX forged wheels in 22x12. I love the polished look and it accents so nicely. And look y'all, you know 38 is a new 37. 38, 13.5, 22, stunning. Same thing here, removed all that texture, kept this functional, did not paint that, but definitely did carbonized gray on the bottom and all the surround. We got airbags in the rear. Primo, a trimmer truck at that too. This tail end is totally epic, doing a gate black with some nice accents of the brushed aluminum look. A correlating emblem out back to match it. Did rim paint only here with a light smoke. Didn't do anything on this portion, so it hits different, showing you different variations all the way around. Mild to wide scale on the 12 wides is stunning. When you go 5.5 inches, you definitely need a bigger and bolsterous wheel and tire combo, and that's exactly what this truck has in carbonized gray. It's like a monsoon today, and I don't film enough inside the shop, so I want to do this video to showcase this gorgeous truck, the carbonized gray. We typically do mostly black and carbonized, but showcasing some polished and chrome accents, not wrapping that portion, not wrapping the lower running board too, is just another different way to show you. We got a big exhaust out back, big 6-inch tip from Banks Performance, looking great. Show you on the inside. Look here, Super Duty heaven. Got the platinum interior with a nice contrast stitching and some suede inserts as well. Platinum, y'all. Platinum with the E-Venture. Now the E-Venture has some technology in it where it's got sensors all over the truck that's giving feedback and information back to the shock package. That way it's the most impressive shock package to date. Thanks so much for watching this one. Let me know what you think about this one on 5.5 inches. Going 5.5 inches up on this one gave us the ability to run the 38s on the 12 wides. It's a stunning overall rendition. Thank you so much. It means everything that you watch our stuff, y'all. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Peace out.